Hello and welcome to the Crafty Elf Workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to wrap a present this year. I'm going to do a lot of them like this. I have different paper, but it's probably going to be the same thing. Anyways, what I want to show you today is items that I bought last year, and I bought them after Christmas. So when you buy things after Christmas, your presents can look amazing the following year. Nothing better than a bargain. Anyways, this spool of cording, I bought it after Christmas. Great deal. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I think it's kind of fun. So when you buy cording like this, you can see that the cording unravels. So whenever you cut it, always knot it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decide that maybe I'm going to have like a little bow like that. So I kind of make a loop, and that will be the tail of the loop. And then I'm going to take the cording around my gift and up over the other side. And then once I get it to this side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this first piece that I made the loop with, and I'm going to bring the cording up to the top to match the length. So there's the length. Well, what I'm going to do here is grab my scissors, cut the length. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to knot the cord that I just cut, so it's not going to unravel. So it's ready for the next gift. And then I'm going to knot the piece I cut. So I'm going to bring the cording up to the top, and I'm just going to do my first knot. Well, I don't even know if you call it a knot. All I'm going to do is tie it. So there we go. So I also bought this on sale after Christmas. So what I'm going to do is, it says Merry Christmas there. I'm going to try and get the snowflake. I'm going to cut a piece of that. Now, there's a lot of this on this bolt, and I got it on sale. So watch how much I can get out of this. So I'm just going to knot the cording, and I'm going to try and get it right in the middle of Merry Christmas. And as I tighten it, I'm just going to flatten it. And I'm just going to keep doing that so it lays kind of flat. There we go. And then I've got these little, they're cardboard Santa heads. Well, they were really inexpensive, and so I will use them as tags. I've got this punch here. It's I think it's a We Are Memories, and no one's paying me to do this, but if they want to, that would be great. I'm using the 3/16 hole punch, and I'm going to stick Santa's head in there and just punch a hole. Now, on the card, you can write who you want it to and who you want it from. And here's another spool of cording. You can see it's like red cording. And all I want to do is tie it onto my gift. Again, purchased it after Christmas. But you don't have to. Like, honestly, you can't get everything after Christmas. But if you can watch the deals and the sales and the coupons that you've got, I mean, go for it, because you want your gifts to look great. You don't want to spend a ton, but it's kind of fun. You want them to look pretty too. Okay, so I'm just going to tie that in a knot. And then I got these little berry things, and there's a lot of them. A lot. So I'm going to use them on my gifts as well. So you can either tie a knot on your tag, and then I'm just going to hold it where I knotted it there. Oh, it's coming loose. So I'm going to put my finger on it, and then I'm just going to grab it, and it's wired, so it's kind of neat. So I'm just going to twist it, and twist it. So I've got that, and then with the rest of the cording, I'm going to just move everything out of the way, bring it forward. This is wired, bring it forward, and I'm just going to tie a bow. Okay, so honestly, how cute is that? So it's all items that I bought, I would say pretty much on like half price, 75% off, and look at the gift. It is adorable. So cute. So there you go. I hope you learned something, and whenever you can save, try and save. So Merry Christmas and happy wrapping.